Number 1. For $5,500 in Sunburst, Montana, this 1965 Rambler Classic 770 offers a great restoration project. The car runs and drives, with 67,000 miles on the odometer, although the owner suspects it has rolled over. The red exterior and black interior are in good condition for a car of this era, with the interior looking particularly well preserved. As with many cars of its age, there are some minor issues like typical leaks, but overall, it's a solid, reliable vehicle. The seller has mentioned being open to trades, specifically for a four-wheeler with a plow. Whether you're a classic car enthusiast or someone looking for a manageable project, this Rambler Classic 770 could be the perfect fit. Don't miss this chance to own and restore a piece of automotive history. Number 2. Located in Ogden, Utah, this 1984 Chevy C30 Dually is listed for $7,000 and offers a fantastic opportunity for truck enthusiasts. With just 58,829 miles, it's in excellent condition and runs smoothly with its powerful 454 CI engine. The black exterior, paired with the striking red interior, gives the truck a classic, bold look. It's been well maintained, with no signs of rust and a clean title, making it a rare find for its age. Whether you're a collector or someone in the market for a classic dually, this Chevy C30 checks all the boxes. Its low mileage and overall condition make it an appealing option for anyone interested in vintage trucks that are both stylish and reliable. Definitely a must-see for any classic truck lover. Number 3. For $4,500 in Tacoma, Washington, this 1974 Ford Gran Torino is an ideal project car for classic car enthusiasts. Equipped with a 351 Windsor engine and a C4 automatic transmission, this car has 62,000 original miles, offering a solid base for restoration. The sale includes new carpet, and while the brakes may need some work, the vehicle is in good condition overall. It's a fantastic opportunity for someone looking to revive a piece of classic American muscle. The seller is flexible and open to cash offers or trades for equipment such as a forklift or bobcat, adding versatility to the deal. Whether you're a collector or someone interested in classic car projects, this Gran Torino has plenty of potential to be a standout restoration. Number 4. This 1977 Chevrolet Nova Concourse, located in Boise, Idaho, is listed for $4,850. Sporting a pro touring stance with a 2-inch lowered suspension, it rides on new 17-inch wheels and tires. The original paint shows some patina, giving it a vintage vibe, while the interior boasts a retro crushed velour design. Under the hood, the 305 small block engine runs smoothly, and recent upgrades include new front brakes and shocks, ensuring a solid driving experience. It's a fantastic cruiser that's sure to turn heads wherever it goes. As a bonus, the price includes a brand new car cover, making this Nova an excellent deal for any classic car enthusiast. Number 5. Priced at $4,000, this 1973 Lincoln Continental sedan located in Ephrata, Washington, is a great find for classic car enthusiasts. Featuring a perfectly running 460 V8 engine, the car has no mechanical issues and is in excellent condition overall. With a clean title and 170,000 miles, this Lincoln Continental is ready for a new owner who appreciates the elegance and comfort of big, classic luxury vehicles. Its spacious interior and smooth ride make it an ideal classic cruiser for leisurely drives. Whether you're a collector or someone looking for a stylish ride, this Lincoln offers a fantastic opportunity at a competitive price. Don't miss out on the chance to own a piece of automotive history. Number 6. For $6,900, this 1977 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe is a classic barn find located in Hickory, North Carolina. With 137,000 miles, this Camaro features a reliable 3.05 engine that has a recently rebuilt carburetor, ensuring it runs well. One of its standout features is the original working air conditioning, perfect for those warm drives. The appealing combination of a white exterior and red interior adds to its charm and character. This Camaro presents a fantastic opportunity as a project car, with plenty of potential for restoration and customization. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or a newcomer to classic cars, this Camaro could be the perfect addition to your collection. Number 7. Listed for $4,350 in Brownsville, Texas, this 1979 Chevrolet El Camino presents a solid build with no major issues. The vibrant red exterior pairs beautifully with the sleek black interior, creating an attractive overall look. This classic pickup comes with a clean title, ensuring peace of mind for the next owner. Both the engine and transmission are in excellent working condition, providing a reliable driving experience. Additionally, the vehicle includes its original rims, adding to its classic charm. This El Camino is the perfect choice for anyone looking to own a piece of automotive history while enjoying the versatility of a classic pickup. Don't miss out on the opportunity to make this iconic vehicle yours. Number 8. Priced at $7,000, this 1963 Ford Ranchero is located in Roscoe, Illinois. It features a reliable 200 cubic inch 6-cylinder engine, ensuring that it runs and drives well. Recent upgrades include a new wiring harness, starter, and brakes, enhancing its overall performance. While the odometer is non-functional, the vehicle is in good condition overall, although some bodywork is needed to bring it back to its former glory. This classic truck boasts a solid frame, making it a great candidate for restoration. Whether you're a collector or someone looking to undertake a rewarding project, this Ranchero is ready for its next chapter. Number 9. For $4,000, this 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle is available in Klamath Falls, Oregon. This classic car features its original 283 engine paired with a Powerglide transmission, and it runs and drives well. The owner is currently converting the wiring harness to HEI, which is a great upgrade for improved performance. While there is typical rust around the rear window, the floors and trunk are in excellent shape, indicating a solid foundation for restoration. The car also comes with a new carpet kit and a reupholstered front seat, making it a great project for any classic car enthusiast. This Chevelle offers plenty of potential for those looking to restore a piece of American automotive history. Number 10. This 1979 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am, located in Wilson, Oklahoma, is listed for $6,500. It's a good running car, powered by a 403 engine and equipped with a Positrack rear end, ensuring a smooth driving experience. The vehicle features cold air conditioning and an 8-track radio, adding to its classic charm. While the car is mostly solid, there is some rust present in the outer sheet metal that will need attention. Overall, this Trans Am is a fun option for any Pontiac fan, ready to hit the road with just a bit of minor work. Don't miss the chance to own a piece of automotive history. Number 11. For only $700, this 1973 Dodge Adventure 100 pickup is located in Eagle Bend, Minnesota. This orange and white two-wheel drive truck features a non-running 360 engine. While the engine turns over, it's currently not sparking, presenting an opportunity for someone with mechanical skills. The truck is being sold as is and does not come with a title, making it ideal for parts or a dedicated restoration project. If you're looking for a budget-friendly classic project, this Dodge pickup could be your next adventure. Don't miss out on the chance to bring this vintage truck back to life.